Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Math. For today's video, we will talk about measurement. Our objective is to approximate the measures of quantities, particularly length, weight or mass, volume, time, angle, temperature, and weight. Measurement is the process of comparing an unknown quantity to a standard known quantity. It is the process by which human beings obtain useful quantitative information about the different physical aspects of objects such as the length, the weight or the mass, the volume, time, and temperature. History tells us that part of the human body and his natural surroundings were used, which is known as the primitive units of measurement. The units of measurements used in ancient times were chosen for convenience rather than accuracy. These are the units of measurement used by ancient civilization. The span, the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger of one's hand with fingers spread apart. Next is the palm, the width of one's hand excluding the thumb. Then we have the digit. It is the thickness or width of the index finger. A foot, it is the length of a foot. A cubit, it's the distance from the elbow to the tip of the middle finger. Then a pace, that is the distance of one full step. A fathom, the length from one end of the middle finger to the other hand of the other middle finger when the arms are spread out. Our Filipino ancestors, on the other hand, used dangkal, dipa, hakbang, talampakan, and dakot. As time passed, the system of measurement developed further. The two standard systems of measurement were the English system and the metric system. The English system of measurement is based on British imperial system. The inch, the foot, yard, and mile are units for English system to measure length. Ounce, pound, ton are used to measure mass. Cups, pint, quart, and gallon for capacity. The metric system is more convenient and easier to use. That's why it is no surprise that most countries all over the world, including the Philippines, use this system. The prefixes kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, and milli are used in the metric system to show the power of 10. Meter is the basic unit of length in metric system. The meter is divided into decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. The shortest length can be millimeter. For longer distances, the decameter, hectometer, and kilometer are used. The unit of mass in metric system, we have kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, and milligram. The common use metric system for capacity are the liters and milliliters. The units of measurement of time are second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year, century, and millennium. The basic unit for temperature is Kelvin. However, this unit of measure is often used for measure temperature in scientific experiment. The most common temperature units used in daily life are degrees Celsius and the degree Fahrenheit. These are some commonly used measuring tools: a tape measure, a ruler, meter stick, and steel tape measure are used to measure length. For mass, we use weighing scale. A beaker, a graduated cylinder, and measuring spoon are used to measure volume and capacity. A calendar, a clock, and watch are used to measure time. For temperature, we use thermometer, and the protractor is used to measure an angle. Let us try to identify the most appropriate unit of measure. Number 1. A sack of rice. Is the appropriate unit kilogram, centimeter, or liter? If your answer is kilogram, you are correct. Kilogram is for mass. Centimeter is for length, while liter is for capacity. Number 2. A glass of water. Is the appropriate unit grams, meter, or milliliter? The answer is milliliter. Gram is for mass and meter is for length. Milliliter is for capacity. Number 3. The distance from Angeles to San Fernando. What is the most appropriate unit? Is it milligram, kilometer, or liter? The answer is kilometer. You are correct. Kilometer is for length. Number 4. The length of an eraser. What is the most appropriate unit? Is it centimeter, yard, or kilometer? The answer is centimeter. Centimeter, yard, and kilometer are units for length, but the yard and kilometer are for longer length or distance. Number 5. A can of soda. Is the unit gallon, grams, or milliliter? The answer is milliliter. Milliliter is used for capacity. Thank you for watching and happy learning.